So first, for the chat system, we need to enable GCC. So for that, we can compile all the C file. Now we can check whether we have installed GCC in the laptop. Here we can see that we already installed GCC in Windows environment. Now we can proceed with compiling the C files by compiling server and client. So proceed to the terminal. Now we can compile our server first. Here we can see that the server file has executed. Now we're gonna do the same thing with the client. Once done compiling into the Windows, we can see that there are two files, which is server and client. Server is to post the chat system and client is to communicate with the other operating system as well. Once the compiling is done, we can start the server. Now we can get the IP address first. As you can see, the IP address is 10.62.91.118. We can use the port for this. As you can see, the server is ready now. Now it's time to on our client in Windows. We have to connect with the same IP address, so the connection will be connected to the same local address as the server. From the Windows itself, we can see the Anu virtual chat system, and on the server itself, we can see that the server already recorded the new connection from the same IP address, which is 10.62.91.118. Now let's start our chat system in Ubuntu. Before that, we have to compile the files as we did before in Windows. We need to compile the C file for client and server. Now you can see the files as well. Now it's it's time to open the C file for client and server in Ubuntu, which is by /client followed by the IP address, which is 10.62.91.118, and the port number followed by the name. So here we can see Anu virtual chat in Ubuntu, and we can see there will be a new connection in our Windows. Now let's try to chat from Ubuntu to Windows and Windows to Ubuntu. Once we send hi from Ubuntu, we can see the reply in Windows. So as you can see, we have got the reply from Ubuntu to Windows and Windows to Ubuntu, which means that the chat system is complete. All this is because of we have created the virtual chat connection with the help of GCC and TCP knowledge. That's all from me. Thank you.